Hey everybody, in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to download a Google Sheets spreadsheet as a CSV file. So as you might know, you can download a Google Sheets spreadsheet in multiple formats. You can download it as an Excel file, as a CSV file, as a PDF file, as an HTML file. But most importantly, you have the option to download it as a CSV file. And this is maybe the best one because there are some features that are not compatible between Excel and Google Spreadsheet. If you have a really simple table with just values and numbers, then maybe the best option is to use a CSV file, because then there's less chance that some data will get lost when you download the Google Sheets spreadsheet. What you have to keep in mind is when you download a CSV file, it will only download the tab you are currently at, because a CSV file doesn't have tabs like an Excel or Google Sheets file. Only the first tab you are on will be downloaded. So keep this in mind. If you want to download the complete spreadsheet, you have to download all tabs separately as a CSV file. But now let's see how to download it. All we have to do is click on File, then select Download, and from the list select comma separated values or .csv file. Click on that, and then all you have to do is select the folder you want to download this Google Sheets spreadsheet as a CSV file. Then click on Save, and that's about it. So now this is how you can save a Google Sheets spreadsheet file as a CSV file. I hope you found this tutorial useful. If you want to get access to our complete Google Sheets function database or our Google Sheets Shortcut Keys ebook for free and other Google Sheets resources and Google Sheets templates, then make sure to check the links in the description below. Also, if you want to learn more about how to use Google Sheets, make sure to check out our YouTube channel and playlists, where you have a ton of tutorials, and more Google Sheets tutorials are coming up, so also make sure to subscribe.